Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chris. On a quick note, I want to introduce you to this new coin that is being launched on Binance Launchpool. That is being introduced to Binance Launchpool. So if I go to my notification settings, Binance let me know that they are introducing this coin called Klaytn to the Binance Launchpool. And if you are familiar with the Binance Launchpool and staking, like I already posted on my YouTube channel, you know that on Binance Launchpool you can always take your tokens to earn new tokens for free. You stake your tokens to earn new tokens for free, and you don't lose the tokens that you stake. So on this announcement, you can see right here, this is the token name Klaytn, and it goes by KLAY in short, and the total supply is about 10 billion. Then the circulating supply is about 2.4 billion, and that's like 25% of the total supply. So on Binance Launchpool, they are only giving a reward of 1.3 million Klay, and you and I have the opportunity to benefit from this. All you need to do is just to stake your BNB or your BUSD. So if I go straight to my dashboard, if you are using a PC, just navigate your way, go to Launchpad. If you are using a mobile device, just go to Launchpad. So once you click on Launchpad, you would see it right here. This is it, upcoming Launchpool, and this is the Klay token. The total reward is about 1.3, like I said, and the farming period is about 14 days. So you have 14 days to farm, to put in your BUSD or your BNB, and once you do that, you get rewarded in Klay. So Klaytn is an open source blockchain that is built by Kakao for performance and scalability. You can always see that here. So that's it in the description. So right now you only have two options, BUSD and BNB. Unlike this one that's in progress, ATA has BNB dot and BUSD, but that's not our concern. Our concern is about Klay, because Klay is just about to be introduced, and the time is going to start in the next 3 hours. I'm recording this video around 9:04 p.m. GMT +1. So this is why I encourage people to always turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I see opportunities like this, I get to introduce it to you immediately. And those that have their notification on, not just subscribers, those that have their notification on, they get to see this first, and they get to enter the opportunity immediately it is being introduced, and they get rewarded. So back to the video. If you scroll down, you can see, according to what I said, for this pool, 80% of the total reward, that's the 1.3 million Klay, 80% is being allocated to the BNB pool, while 20% is being allocated to the BUSD pool. So if you have some BNB out there, just get it working for you. Just put it in this pool. Nothing is going to happen to your BNB. It's still there, just that you are staking it to gain to get all these new coins, for free. So what you need to do, if you don't have BNB right now, you can just go ahead to buy, because this is a way of making passive income. You can go ahead to buy. I'll drop a link in the description of this video. I'll drop a link where you would learn how to buy and sell your cryptocurrency on Binance. Also, if you are from countries that have been banned, you can't buy directly from your bank. You can't buy cryptocurrency directly from your bank without being queried or being sanctioned. I also dropped the video in the description. You will see the link in the description. It will teach you totally how to bypass those bans, especially our colleagues in Nigeria. So you can always use the peer-to-peer. There's a detailed video tutorial on how to go about that. I'll drop that in the description below. And if you don't have a Binance account, all you just need to do is also go to the description below. There's a sign up link there. Sign up, and whenever you trade, you'll be getting discounts. Just sign up and complete your KYC, then go ahead to start making your transaction. So back to this pool. So if I click on the BNB pool, click on view details right here, it's going to open a UI. So this is it right here. You can see this is 1.06 Klay as reward for the BNB pool, and currently about 3.8 billion BNB has been staked. 3.8 billion BNB. If I click on this exclamation, you can see APY will be available after the token is listed on 24/06/2021. So guys, time until this farming starts or commence is in the next 3 hours. So immediately you see this video, just jump into it straight. So you can see your staking history right here. You can see your staking history. If you want to stake, just come down here and click on stake. But right now I don't have any BNB available. So once you click on stake, you can enter the amount you want to stake, and once you enter the amount you want to stake, let's say you have 67 BNB, all you just need to do is click on stake and it will get staked. So I will just use this ATA launch pool, the one in progress, to explain it. So this is ATA. Let me click on the BNB pool. Let me click on stake now. So once I click on it, okay, you can see it looks almost the same. This is the number of BNB I have staked. So if I want to see my staking history, I'll just click on this place to see my staking history. If I want to stake new, I will just click on stake. So once I click on stake new, stake new, I can just enter the number of BNB I want to stake. Let's say I have 68 BNB. I can just input the 68 BNB. I can see the APY here. That is like the profits. So that's it. Then I click on stake. So once I stake, it starts running. Then you can always redeem your money anytime, your coin anytime. Just click on redeem. Let me see. If I click on redeem, you can see my available stake balance up here. Then you can click on the number of coin you want to redeem. But if you want to redeem everything, you can just click on max. Once I click on max, you can see it brings to me all the available BNB that I have. Then I can just go ahead to click on redeem just right below here. But I'm not planning on redeeming my coin, so I'm going back. So if you scroll down again, that's where you see your rewards, your claimed and unclaimed rewards. So for you to claim your reward, you always come here, then click on claim reward right here. So once you click on claim reward, right now I have some reward that I have not claimed. I click on claim reward. So you can see once claimed, your ATA will be transferred to your spot account. So I click on claim reward again. So it will show me a success. You can see claim successful. So it is now 0-0. So that's the same thing you are going to be doing for this new token that is called Klaytn Klay. So if you have some BUSD or BNB lying there, just ensure that you put this to use. So if you are new to this channel, please ensure that you drop a subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. It is very important, because whenever I drop videos, you get updated first and you get to check into this opportunity and gain maximum advantage. So guys, thank you very much for staying with me to the end of this video. If this video has been helpful, give it a like, share to your friends, and if you have any question for me or any observation or remark, you can just go to the comment section below and drop your comment. So guys, till next time, stay safe.